I'm all by myself. Yeah, I got this food all to myself. Normally it's a squad. Not today. No squad today. Just me. Only me. But I am wondering, where is my squad at? Normally it's a gang of us. Not today. All by myself. Where could they be? Am I missing them? Are they missing me? Which one? Well, until then, I'm gonna just sit here and peck the ground. Get these crumbs they left over from yesterday. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I love it. I love it. I love it. All by myself, eating by myself. Where's the flock? I don't know. Hopefully they're somewhere nearby. But until then, I think to myself, what the fuck is going on?